What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another day. Today we're gonna be going to the Palace of Versailles. We're gonna try and go to the Eiffel Tower, Louvre, what do they call it? Louvre, where the Mona Lisa is at. And then we're gonna have like dinner later. You know, we're dressed up pretty warm. I have like 4 layers under this white shirt. It's like what, 30 outside? 20 or 25? Yeah, we're gonna show our outfits again.
European winter. So this jacket's from Pretty Little Thing. This is from Primax. This is from what is it? New Yorker. Stomach is from Food. Tights is from USA, and these are from Primark. So yeah.
My wife dressed me.
Yeah.
She's telling me every time. I don't really have time to look at clothes. I'm always looking at my phone. But anyways, yeah, she got the jacket for me. I like the pattern. It's different. White shirt with all my layers underneath.
Where's it from?
I don't know. Where is this from?
For H&M.
This is from H&M. White shirt's from H&M. And then these black pants, you get them from Primark. Pretty good. And then I got my Air Forces, not the black ones, the white ones. I got the watch, and you got my necklace on it too. So we'll see you guys when we get in the car. I'll try to do some like car videos on the hour trip to Palace of Versailles. And then like 30 minutes from Palace of Versailles is like Eiffel Tower and all the other museums and nationalities. So yeah, I'll see you there. Hey, so I recommend you buying the tickets here. It came up to 32 euros instead of me spending. I was expecting to spend like 120 online like I was supposed to, but it got canceled. We just bought it here and it came up to 32. So I recommend just coming here and buying tickets.
And using the Google Translate
app.
app.
Use the Google Translate app.
That's what I'm excited for. My crew.
Damn.
Oh, this is long. Okay.
Oh, let me get closer. This is tough. Yeah. The King of Queen of France over here. Wow. Look, the girl got no shirt on. She got no shirt on. I want to tat it on me.
It's time to take some pictures and destroy the whole Instagram game. Oh my god.
Here, just take a seat right here. Look at the view out the window. Dang. Imagine this is your backyard. Hey, if you sit right here, this will be a good picture.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Man, it's so cool in here.
Oh my god. This is where
There's just rooms and rooms of art.
What the? What? This is really? How do you preserve this? How do you?
Oh my god, I touched the butt. I touched the butt.
Somebody's house.
I touched the butt. Watch.
Is it real?
Yeah, look.
It's real? What? That must have been really heavy to carry.
It's like they painted it on the wall, though. What a time, bro. What a time. 4?
8.
You want 8?
Mm-hmm. 8. 19.
Thank you. That's the restaurant they have. Alright guys, so we're about to try out these macaroons. We got like 4 different flavors? 8.
Oh wait. Yeah.
4 different flavors. And these were made here in France. That's so crazy. Does it taste different?
It's more fresher.
More fresher.
I don't know if we're allowed to eat here, but I'll eat.
Look at that guy. Wow. That's the army. Oh yeah, that's okay. That dude got no clothes on too. He ain't cold. You don't got no fish in here. It's too cold for that. Alright y'all, so we're gonna leave. We're gonna leave here. It's getting a little too cold. Everything else is outside, but you can see everything from the cliff, like the gardens and stuff. I'm not really interested in the garden, just like the art that was inside and outside. We're gonna go to
Mona Lisa.
We're gonna go to the Mona Lisa. We're gonna go downtown and into Paris where you can see the Eiffel Tower now. And yeah, I'm probably gonna post this in another vlog, so go ahead and check it out. We'll see you there.
It's huge.
It's one of our greatest memories.
We did it. Another landmark off of the check. Check, 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 check.
Put your hand up.